Hi, this is Lanka from Global Media Networks with Business Roundup for the day. With Sri Lanka's last holdings limited has decided to buy a controlling stake of SoftLogic PLC, a subsidiary of the SoftLogic Group. A total consideration of the purchase stands at 103.63 million rupees. The SoftLogic Capital PLC has already entered into a share sale and purchase agreement with Last Holdings to sell 5.1 million ordinary shares of the firm. The share amount contributes at 67% of the issued share capital of SoftLogic Credit Limited. The SoftLogic Capital is a stock market disclosure announced that the deal will go through once the regulatory and shareholder approvals are given to me. We also see the Sri Lanka's second player in the petroleum market, the India Oil Corporation owned Lanka Indian Oil Corporation, that is LIOC, announced that it will increase the price of diesel from midnight Monday, the 1st of October. Accordingly, the liter of petrol will be increased at 4 rupees and the new price of the liter of diesel will be 121 rupees. An official said the LIOC raised diesel prices in mid-May by 2 rupees per litre. However, the price of diesel of the state-owned Ceylon Petroleum Corporation will remain unchanged at 150 rupees, while the litre of Lanka super diesel is sold at 142 rupees. The Ceylon Petroleum Corporation is a major player in the petroleum market in Sri Lanka. Looking at more news, we see the Board of Directors of Touchwood Investment PLC has approved the capitalization of reserves in the proportion of 1 million share for every 2 existing shares at a consideration of HP 75 cents per share. The value of reserves as to be capitalized is equal to 311.8 million rupees, which is as of the revaluation reserve amounting to 377.85 million rupees. Now, the valuation of the revaluation reserves amounting to 477.45 million rupees has not arose from the fair valuation of the biological assets. We'll see the shares of Aspen Holdings PLC issued by way of private placement to Active Investment Holdings Sri Lanka Limited will be listed today under ASIR. A total of 209,829,258 shares were issued at a price of 10 rupees 80 cents per share, an amount of 2.26 billion rupees was raised. We see that Mr. Lanka, Sri Lanka's largest private sector collector of fresh milk, is celebrating the highest ever milk intake of over 5 million litres of 18,000 Sri Lankan dairy farmers in the month of September. Third, the company also expects to contribute over 2.6 billion to the rural economy this year. We see the CIC Agri, a unit of CIC PLC, the listed company which is on the threshold of completing 20 years, began operations in 1993. As a fertilizer company, since the company has moved to various agricultural and waste product and value addition that has propelled the organizations to be the trendsetter in the industry today. The RAM rating is given a BBB positive long-term rating with stable outlook to First Capital Holdings, an investment company with interest securities dealing margin trading and portfolio management. First Capital Holdings, 500 million rupees worth of secured commercial paper have been given a P2 rating. RAM ratings said that the firm was well capitalized and has investment portfolio with low credit risk and basket is exposed to interest rate volatility and liquidity of Sri Lanka's government securities market. We also see that Sri Lanka's LBT Bank Group will use a part of the cash from a $59 million exit from Aviva Indigo Insurance PLC for regional expansion, according to the Chief Executive Russell DeMel of the LBT Group. Looking at a little bit of global news, we see that the Asian stocks fell as Chinese services industry expanded at the weakest pace since at least March 2011, and sales planners said that a bailout request is imminent. Now, Chow Tai Fook Jewelry Group Limited in 1929, a Hong Kong-based chain with more revenue than Tiffany, dropped 3.6%, causing declines among Chinese retailers. Canon, the world's #1 camera maker, that get 31%. Sales from Europe slipped to 2.3%, and Daiichi Sankyo it dropped 5.6% after Chinese drug maker and its partner halted development of a lung-cancer treatment. BCJP Morgan, a trading company, rivals may face government lawsuits claiming $10 billion in damages tied to investor losses on mortgage funds after New York's Attorney General filed a fraud lawsuit against the nation's biggest bank crime assets. With that, I round up the news for today. Thank you very much for listening, and see you next week.